I'm Summer Hanson. I'm an associate professor and director of translational research at the MD Anderson Cancer Center down in Houston, and today I'm going to discuss our upcoming publication in the February 2020 issue of Aesthetic Surgery Journal entitled Validation of a CD30 ELISA for Rapid Detection of Breast Implant-Associated Anaplastic Large Cell Lymphoma, or BIA-ALCL. I'll start off by saying that this was all done within the Translational Research Lab, so this is not mainstream yet. So really our take-home message for the reader, our recommendation would still be to understand the standard presentation, diagnosis, and treatment of BIA-ALCL. This is a rare, albeit emerging form of non-Hodgkin T-cell lymphoma that's been reported in both cosmetic and reconstructive implant cases and typically presents as a delayed fluid collection or seroma. The diagnosis demonstrates not only anaplastic large T cells, but also CD30 expression. And this can be both costly and time-consuming when the vast majority of delayed seromas will actually be negative for ALCL. So our goal of our work was to fast-track this process. We tested an ELISA kit, which is, you may recall from biochemistry lab, is a tagged antibody detection of an antigen, in our case CD30, and it is relatively inexpensive, relatively fast, and highly sensitive. So we validated this by using 9 seroma samples that were confirmed BIALCL effusions compared to 9 negative seroma samples or confirmed negative controls. And using the CD30 ELISA kit, we found that all of the BIALCL samples were positive for CD30 on full concentration as well as serial dilution down to 1 to 1,000, with all of the negative seroma samples also testing negative for CD30 on the ELISA, giving our test 100% sensitivity. And that's really the goal or the next step of this work, is to streamline this process through either an in-office kit or at least standard protocols, as well as in a prospective study. So I encourage you to keep up to date with all of the literature on BIA-ALCL. I think Aesthetic Surgery Journal does an awesome job with publishing the most recent literature, data and reviews or guidelines about ALCL. And please feel free to reach out to me on social media or through email to discuss this further. I hope you enjoyed our paper.